up. Ride on me like your block got me thinking it's 96. I can rap on some 90 shit, wrap your leggings around my hips. I'm so hip to a tourist when I come speculate. But if I stay my noggins, promise this kiss will always taste like candy. And yeah, it's obvious, mama no probably can't stand me. I'm sure they tired of this look that you have on your hands. We gon' fuck around. We gon' fuck around and cook the triplets of babies right now. And that might break the record. I know that don't be a burden, that means we're fucking reckless. Plus we don't use protection. I find myself